So, originally I was going to review this puppy today, but then I got this one in the mail. And, well, guess what? I'm doing an unboxing of this one first. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the mouse. I got the black one. Here's the battery. AAA. No, AA. Lithium energizer battery. Really nice. There's some paperwork if you want to read it. And yeah, well, that's basically it. Alright, then. Well, let's put the battery in and connect it. So, okay, let's put it back in. Okay, pretty nice clicks, and yeah, damn. It's not very small, but okay, yeah, it feels very, very interesting. Okay. Wait, so scroll wheel is, yeah, I gotta break it in first, but scroll wheel feels fine. DPI button, not easy to hit in my opinion, so that's a good thing. Side buttons, pretty tactile. Main clicks also, I'm not sure if you can hear it because my microphone. But I would say it's a pretty nice mouse feeling out of the box. I've already heard some complaints that the feet are wobbly, and okay, mine doesn't wiggle. That's a good thing, I suppose. Yeah, I have not seen any major defects on the feet in my copy, so yeah. The mouse with the AAA battery weighs 72 grams. If you put in a AAA battery, okay, you can't put it in simultaneously, but who in the right mind would do that? So then, oh wow, really light, but it feels back heavy. With the AAA, it's pretty balanced, and with the AA, it feels really balanced. And now it's sort of back heavy, like on a G305, but still better, I would say. So wait, I'm curious if I put in a AAA to AA adapter with a battery. Still not as balanced as with the 72 gram battery. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot to mention the clicks themselves are modified KLGM 4.0s. I don't know about the side buttons, but the V1 and the mouse 1 and mouse 2 clicks are Razer modified KLGM 4.0s. The shape is pretty similar to the V1 Orochi, at least. I don't have it, but it's similar to the. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. But the right side is flat, whilst the left side has a curve. So it's good for your thumb, but it's not an ambi mouse. So this mouse really is preferred for right-hand users instead of like an MM710 where you can use it left-handed or right-handed. So I've been using this mouse for a few days now, and I gotta say I perform pretty decent nowadays. But at the beginning I really had to get used to it because I'm pretty used to ambi mice nowadays. And well, yeah, as I already said, the shape is definitely not an ambi. It's different on the right and the side. On the right and the left side. What the hell? Yeah, I'm still getting used to it, and I also had to get to use a slower pad. And yeah, but I think it's a pretty good mouse. And yeah, I'm going to talk about it more in the full review. Stay tuned for it. And yeah, leave a like and a comment down below if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, also leave them down below. And stay home, stay safe, and